Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Shey and this is Meal Prep Sunday. Today I'm going to be making chicken fajitas. This meal has 425 calories, 7 grams of fat, 52 grams of carbs, and 38 grams of protein per serving, and it makes 4 servings total. Prep time is about 10 minutes. Cook time is 45 minutes, for a total of 55 minutes. First, let's start off with the ingredients. 1.25 pounds chicken breast, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, half a teaspoon onion powder, half a teaspoon garlic powder, 2 teaspoons chili powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon salt, pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 cup brown rice, 3 bell peppers, 1 white onion, and 1 to 2 jalapenos depending how spicy you want it. Since the rice takes the longest, you should start on that first. Bring 2.5 cups of water to boil and add the rice in with a pinch of salt and a tablespoon of olive oil. Give it a quick stir, reduce to a simmer and cover. Leave it alone for about 45 minutes. Or you can just use a rice cooker. If you use a rice cooker, I suggest using about 2 cups of water instead. Next, we're going to mix the seasoning. In a small bowl, mix together the cornstarch, chili powder, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, cayenne pepper, sugar, and salt. Give it a quick stir and set it aside. Now get out your chicken breast and trim off the fat, and then cut it into small pieces. Now mix together your chicken with about 1/2 of the seasoning that you prepared. Put the chicken in the fridge until it's time to cook it. Now let's cut up the vegetables. Peel your onion, and then cut the onion into medium-sized chunks. Now, cut the ends off your bell peppers and remove the seeds in the core, and then cut the bell pepper into thin strips. For the jalapenos, you're going to follow a similar process. Cut off the end and cut it in half, and then you can cut out the core and remove the seeds. Then simply cut it into thin strips. Add in a little salt and pepper to taste and give it a good mixing. Over medium-high heat in a large pan, add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil and start cooking your vegetables. If you want to give them a little more flavor, you can add 1 to 2 teaspoons of low-sodium soy sauce. Stir frequently for 4 to 7 minutes until done. You can tell the vegetables are done when you can see through the onions. Remove the vegetables from the pan and add the chicken. A few minutes into cooking the chicken, add the remaining seasoning in, stirring frequently. Cook the chicken for around 5 minutes or until cooked through. After that, simply add everything to meal prep containers and you're done. What did you guys think of the video? Would you like more content like this? Please leave a comment down below and tell me what you think. And as always, follow me on Instagram or Twitter. And most importantly, thanks for watching. Bye.